Hi guys, I thought we would do something fun today, like learn how to do block letters, and you can practice with your name, and then next week you can make yourself a sign to put in your window, and to let everybody know that you're a VES grad, and grad is short for graduate. All right, so you're moving on to fourth grade, and I just thought you might enjoy doing this. And doing block letters is always fun. So here we go. So to do a block letter, here is the trick. You've got to leave yourself room between from the side of the paper and between letters because they're going to be bigger than you think they're going to be. So if I do, like, say I do the name Matt, I'm going to write the name Matt, and I'm going to do all capital letters, and I'm working horizontally, and I did it kind of big to fill up the paper. Okay. Now to do block letters, you always pretend there's like a force field going around it. So on this one, you can either go around the outside. So I'm going to draw lines around the outside. And do you see what I mean by a force field? And this is why you need room. Okay. And then you go back in and you erase. Now I did those dark so you can see. Okay. So you can see if you do it dark, it's still going to show up. So when you do your letters, show you this again. When you do your letters, do them very lightly. So when you erase them, it they won't the inside part won't appear. Now you can do flat parts at the tops where there are points. All right, now watch, I'll go in and erase this. And you can just barely see it. So if you color it in with crayons or markers, you'll never see that. Okay. Now the A looks like it's going to bump into the M. So you can just make it look like the A is behind the M. Right? See that? And then I'm going to use the inside of the A. So you kind of have to practice because each letter has its own unique kind of circumstance. Like if you do the letter S, S is like this. So I'm doing the top of the S, but I'm doing the top of the S down here as well, which means I've got to put the bottom in. So I go like this to make the bottom. So you can see it's kind of tricky. Or you can think of it as you're going from the top to the bottom. Okay? So like I said, each letter has its own unique circumstance. Okay? Now when I did the VES grad, I did V E S, and then I did grad, G R A D. And then I went around and see how I did lines at the tops and the bottom of the V? And the E I'll go around. An S, line here, line here. I come around and I connect. Connect. Okay. And grad is the same thing. I come around. So G, you can see it gets kind of tight in there. R, A, D. Now I'm going to go back in here and like the R, I'll keep the top of the R for the inside of it. The G I'll erase. The A I'll erase the legs but keep the top triangle, and the D I'll keep in there. All right, for the V, I'll erase that. V inside. Same thing with the E and the S, because those letters don't have any holes in them. If they have a hole in them, you can usually use the first thing you've drawn. All right, so there's VES grad. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is you can decorate it any way you want. You can put stars in. To make a star, it's a triangle that goes up, a triangle that goes sideways, and then it connects. I'll do that again. Triangle, straight up and down, triangle sideways, connects. Triangle up, triangle sideways, connects. Triangle up, triangle sideways, connects. Triangle up, triangle sideways. Now I'm turning my paper too. Triangle up, sideways, connects. Triangle up, sideways, connects. Up, sideways, connects. Okay, and then in between, maybe you want to put like confetti with like little strips of paper. And then you can color all this stuff in however you want. Maybe do the VES in purple, since those are our colors. And these are just little confettis. Okay? Maybe make one more. Okay? And that way you can color it in, you can put it in your window. But I would definitely practice with some letters first. And, you know, once you learn how to do it, it's pretty fun to make your own block letters like that. And you can use it for different things, like when you make posters for school and things like that. So it's something you can keep using as you go through school. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed that. That was kind of a fun, different one to do today. And I hope everybody's well. And we'll see you soon. And take care. And bye for now.